How you going? I'm Adam from Solar and Sat Bundaberg. I just want to run you through my build for the dual battery system on my 2016 Triton. All right, let's take a look in the at the dual battery system. Just open the canopy up here. We'll start from the main component, which is the battery. We've got the 90 amp hour lithium smart battery. 90 amp hour can take up to 180 amps of discharge. Next we have the 10 amp 240 volt charger, the 100-30 solar regulator, 25 amp Victron buck boost DC to DC converter, the color control monitoring system, 10-way fuse block, BMV 712 smart battery monitor, and the 12 volt 1200 volt amp Phoenix inverter. Alright, so we've got the 240 volt AC input for the 240 volt 10 amp charger. And out here we've got the outdoor weatherproof power point that runs straight off the inverter. This system runs 2 times 180 watt solar panel through the Victron 100-30 regulator and keeps the battery topped up at all times. So the best thing about this particular dual battery system is you don't even have to go home to have a toasted sanger, you do it on the road. Alright, so the toasties are now cooked, nice and golden brown, just waiting on the kettle to boil, and then we can have some lunch with a cup of tea.